Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the collar model and current firmware so you install the correct file. This avoids bricking. Next, plug the collar into its charger and charge both collar and phone to at least 50% because updates can fail on low power. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and open the Garmin Explore or dedicated collar app. Make sure you are signed in. Pair the collar in the app now so it appears in device list before proceeding to download. You'll select the paired device in the app and check for available firmware. That tells you what fixes or features the update provides and why it matters. Then download the update using a stable Wi-Fi connection because cellular interruptions can corrupt the file. Do not switch apps while downloading. Once download completes, tap Update and keep the collar connected. Watch the progress bar until it reaches 100%. If the app prompts a restart, allow it so the new firmware initializes correctly. You finish by verifying the firmware version in the device info and performing a test location ping to confirm normal operation. This proves the update applied correctly. If the collar doesn't respond or GPS is off, reboot both the collar and your phone, then retry the pairing and ping because simple resets resolve most issues. If problems persist, gather the serial number and app logs and contact Garmin support for guided recovery, providing log speeds diagnosis and prevents repeated failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.